Have you or your colleagues ever had to document dimensions for the shop floor, whether it be through a report or through a documentation? I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that in two different areas. They're found in Excalibur, and you're going to be found under Annotate Images. We have both inspection reports and setup plans. And to create a inspection report is this button. Setup plan is here. I'm going to do an inspection report so you can see how this works. And it's quick and easy to be able to maneuver around on the screen what you want in the window. This particular window is the snapshot of the image that you're going to save, and these dimensions are saved along with it. So I'm going to create a couple quick dimensions here just to show you what this option actually does, and then we'll go through on the setup sheet how quick and easy it is to just do a setup sheet real quick with the dimensions as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do a diameter here in this little hole, and we'll go ahead and pull that up and out, and I'm going to do another air cut right here just to give you a kind of an idea what's in store for this. So these are the dimensions. I can then, at this point, I can save these dimensions. I can go and edit these dimensions or do whatever I want just by right-clicking, left-clicking, and going into the dimension and changing whatever. I can add G, D, and T to it. Inspection ranges, I could change the inspection range to it. I can create a identifier for these if I want. So if I want to check this with a caliper and click on the next one down here and check this with maybe a micrometer, and I can go through the whole process with these different instruments and give them a checking platform or a checking kind of instrument that they want to use in the report. These are basically for the reports. If you want to create a report with this, you can create a report. It also saves with the file. So as soon as I save my VC project file, it saves with it. So you can save it pretty quick, and then if you need to go back and change some of this, if caliper is not the way you want to do it or whatever, you can exit out of that as well. I'm going to move this over to the other screen, and once I have my dimensions in place, this little button here saves it. So I'm going to save that. And once I have it saved, I don't need to be in it to produce a report. So my report, I'm just going to go ahead and say create a report. This is the inspection report, and we'll go ahead and run the report real quick. And you can see the four identifiers with the instruments that I put in, and then my tolerances, of course, could be changed and that kind of thing. You can see that one of my dimensions is off the screen, so I can quickly go back into the system and change it under Excalibur and then Annotate Images. If I pick on inspection, it shows me that dimension is pretty close. So what I can do is just I can move my whole part over if I want. Once I do that, I just save it again, go into reports, and create a report. And you can see how quick and easy it is to change things in there. I can add G, D, and T dimensions to it and things like that. So now my whole picture is in the center of that snapshot. So with this is the inspection report. When I save the VC project file and come back into it, if I say file open and I open this project back up, I just go into the Excalibur, hit the Annotate Images, and then click on my inspection. You can have multiple inspection reports, you can have multiple setup sheets in here that show different views, and once you save them, they're saved with the part. So if you have any other questions on Annotate Images or inspection plans, please go to the help menu, or you can call CG Tech support at 949-753-1050. Thank you.